Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove blue underline in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then you can open your spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my spreadsheet. Now you can see here are a blue underline in Excel. Now I can remove this underline. At first, select this cell. Then go to home menu. Then click font drop down menu. Then you can see here are underline option. Click this underline drop down menu and choose none. Then press OK. You can see here are remove the blue underline in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for